this up. Boy's navigating. He could have just went, you know?
Now spiraling. You move it just like a.
What is warranting this? Total. Oh, tree. All these cars. It's crazy. Just trying to see if this guy's tailgating me. KLK 3444. Like, why? Total. Oh, tree. What this guy is doing? What he's doing? He's like going to every exit. and coming off to the brake. He's probably drunk. I'm gonna keep it real with you. Look, he's stopping. Now he's backing up. Yo, that's crazy.
How many more black features till you finally feel that you're black enough? I like Drake with the melodies. I don't like Drake when he act tough.
Gotta get an accident, this guy.
I showed you what it is to be a victim of abuse, and I don't think they gon' let it go, cause they be getting exposed. They be getting exposed. Believe the unbelievable, my freedom is collateral. I think I'm gonna have to go. I showed you what it is to be a victim of abuse, and I don't think they gon' let it go. They be getting exposed. Cause
when I was low, you was there for me. You never left me alone because you cared for me. And I can see you coming home.
See what I'm saying? Like, look what this caused. Damn, why? That damn why is doing it, man. Skipper 211 AMH.
Still got it in here. He didn't work for Tuesday. Because I waited till 10 o'clock.
A city bike right in the middle of the street. Can't make this up. I'm going to point out with that, kind of like what I was saying before, though. This is not. Basically, what he. Jesus, man, what the fuck is this guy's problem, man?
Feature till you finally feel that you're black enough. I like Drake with the melodies. I don't like Drake when he act tough.
Gotta get an accident, this guy. For the way I do it. I'm really efficient, and I'm really efficient, and I just. What the fuck is this guy? LBP 1702. Like, what the fuck is this? Why is it in a rush?